What if YouTube comments could automatically turn into organized tasks without you manually changing every video? Because honestly, creators receive all kind of valuable things inside comments. Content ideas, feedback, collaboration requests, support queries, and future video suggestions also. But after a while, managing all of that manually becomes impossible. Important comments get buried, ideas get forgotten, and engagement becomes difficult to track properly. So in this video, I will show you how to build a workflow by using Pabbly Connect that automatically converts YouTube comment into Notion task in real time so that you can manage your comments properly. Now, first of all, I will quickly show you the demo of the workflow that we are looking at. After that, I will help you create this exact same automation for your own business. Here, I will quickly do a comment on this video. Can you create a tutorial on AI chatbots? I will comment this. Instantly, you will see that the comment that I've added here along with the details will get created as a new task inside this sheet. Let us just refresh this from here. Instantly, you can see this new comment at this date, activity as comment thread, video title, best AI automation tools explained by Jay Tripathi. This is the comment. Can you create a tutorial on Shopify AI chatbots? You can see this comment has got added successfully. It's a new task inside my Notion page, and this happened just because of the workflow that I've created inside my Pabbly Connect account. So this was the demo of this automation. If you are a creator, you can also create this workflow for your own business, so that instead of manually checking comments again and again, you can organize feedback, content requests, audience suggestions, and engagement tasks automatically. This is super useful for YouTubers, content teams, agencies, podcast creators, and social media managers. So we have seen the demo of this workflow. Now let me help you create this automation for your business. For that, at first we have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you are new here and you want to learn how to come up to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. If you want to watch the whole process, you can also watch this video that I have added on the I button, and from there you can easily learn to come up the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. After that, inside this dashboard, to start creating a workflow, you have to click on this create workflow button. Then from here, you can select any of these following methods to create your workflow. This time, we will create a workflow by using this create using quick builder. We have to select this. Now in here, we just have to provide a simple prompt with the help of which AI will instantly generate the structure of our workflow for us. For here, I will quickly describe what type of workflow that I want. Then I will show you what I have written here. I have added my prompt, create a workflow which gets triggered on every YouTube comment. Then with the video ID, we fetch all the details about the video, and then we create a task inside Notion. I will just send this prompt in here. Instantly, at first, this AI will analyze my request, and then it will ask me to select my trigger and application event. First of all, for this YouTube trigger application, we have to select this new comment on a video. After that, for this YouTube action, as I want to get all the details about this video by ID, so I will select this. Then at last, for our Notion application, we have to create a database item. So we have to select this. Instantly, you can see the structure is ready. Now we just have to approve this. Then we can simply open this workflow on a new tab just from here, and you will see instantly this AI has created the structure of the workflow for me from a simple prompt that I provided. Now here, we just have to integrate these following applications with Pabbly Connect to create our workflow. First of all, let me tell you that all the things you need before creating this workflow. To create this workflow, you just need three simple things. First is a YouTube account where you have already posted a video so that you can check your workflow by doing a comment below the video. After that, you need a Notion account. You can see here, this is the database that I have created to store the YouTube comment request. You also have to create the exact same database, or you can also create your database as per your preference and choice. And the third thing that you need is the premium subscription of Pabbly Connect, where you will get thousands of tasks every month so that you can run your workflow smoothly without even worrying about tasks. Now, if you are still relying on 100 free tasks, I will ask you go and purchase your premium subscription, because right now we are running a special discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. To avail that, you just have to use my coupon code JAIYT visible right in front of you to avail this discount. Go and purchase your subscription. After that, you can simply create more such amazing workflows inside your Pabbly Connect account. Let us start creating this workflow. First of all, we have to set up our trigger application. We have to open this application. Then at first we have to press this connect button. We will receive these two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So if you have already established a connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect, you can go with that. But to create a new connection, you have to select this add new connection. Press this sign in the Google button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect will detect your account. You have to select your account from here, scroll down on the next page, press this continue button. Your connection will get created successfully. After creating this connection, you just have to select the name of your channel and then you have to select the video from which you want to gather comments. So you can see I've selected my channel and then I've selected my video also. Now we just have to press this save and send test request button. Instantly you can see Pabbly Connect will detect and capture the last comment added on our YouTube video. Here you can see the last comment that I added was this: can you create a tutorial on Shopify AI chatbots? Pabbly Connect has successfully detected this comment that I have done in the beginning of this video. This means that my trigger step is working all fine. And here this clock is visible to you. It says that this trigger will check for new data in 10 minutes. This means that our workflow will get triggered every 10 minutes and it will fetch for the YouTube comments added in the video that we have selected. So our trigger is all set. Now let us set up our action applications also. We have to set up this YouTube also, where with the help of the video ID, we will get all the details about the video where the comment is added, so that we can add the details of this video as a task inside our Notion application. So first of all, we have to press this connect button. Now again, we have to select this add new connection. Then we have to press this sign in with Google button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect has detected my account. So I will select my account, scroll down, click on this continue button and my connection will get created successfully. After that, we just have to add the video ID here. To fill up these details, I will take help of mapping. To map data, we have to press this slash button. Then from this drop down, we can easily select the value which we want to map. We can also search for it. So let us just type down this video. You can see this is our video ID. We just have to select this and then we have to press this save and send test request button. Instantly you can see all the details about this video. You can see this was the title and this was the description of my video. We have successfully got all the details about this video. Now we can add these details while creating a task inside our Notion application. Now we have to work on this Notion. So let us open this, press this connect button. Again, we will receive these two options. This time also, we have to select this add new connection, press this connect with Notion button. On the left side, Pabbly Connect will detect your account. You just have to scroll down, click on this select pages. Then you have to select the page where you want to add a new task. I have already selected this page. So I will scroll down, click on this allow access button. Instantly, my connection will get created successfully. After creating this connection, we just have to select our database. Here you can see my database is selected. Next, you can see Pabbly Connect has automatically detected all the columns that I've created here inside my Notion database. Now we just have to fill up these details one by one to add a new task inside our Notion. But before that, let me tell you what I personally like about this workflow is that it helps creators stay organized without constantly monitoring comments manually. Because once comments starts following directly into Notion, it becomes much easier to track audience feedback and content opportunities. And once you understand workflows like this, you can automate much more. For example, you can send comment notification, create CRM entries, update Google Sheets, trigger team alerts, or organize collaborations requests automatically, all without coding. So if you also want to try Pabbly Connect on your own, use my coupon code JAIYT to purchase your subscription and get a special discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. Go and purchase your subscription before this offer becomes history. Now let us fill up these following fields. First of all, for this status, I will leave it empty because I will add this status directly inside my Notion when I have successfully acted or replied on these comments. Now I will directly fill up these details. First of all, inside this activity, we have to map the activity that has happened inside our YouTube channel. So for that, I will take help of mapping again. For that, I have to press this slash, search for the activity that has happened here. Here this comment thread is added, so I will select this and you can see now I know that YouTube, a new activity of kind YouTube comment thread is happened inside my YouTube video. Now we have to add the title. So this is why we have added this second YouTube application, so that we can get title of our YouTube video, because we don't get our title while we get a new comment on a video. So for to map the title here, we have to press this slash button, search for the title. It is visible right here. We just have to select this and it is also mapped. For this date also, I'll press this slash, search for the date, and you can see here this is the published date, so I will select this. For this comment, we have to add the comment that we have received, so I will search for this comment from here and then you will see here this This is our comment. We just have to select this, and it is also mapped. For this name also, I'll press the slash, search for the name of the YouTube commenter. You can see this is the name, so I will select this, and it is also mapped successfully. Here I've used mapping because by mapping we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will receive any new response from a new YouTube comment, automatically these old responses will get updated from a new response. Otherwise, these details will remain static and they will not change unless we manually change it. So that's why to make our data to get changed automatically, we take help of mapping. After adding all these details, we have to scroll down, press this save and send test request button. Instantly these details will get added and created as a new task inside my Notion base. Let me open my Notion base. Here you can see this new task has got created successfully with the help of this workflow that we have created here. So I have successfully shown you how you can create this automation to automatically create YouTube comments as a new task inside your Notion database to manage them properly. And that's how you can also automatically turn YouTube comments into Notion task by simply creating a workflow inside Pabbly Connect. If you want to use my workflow for your business, you can copy the link from the description box. This was a simple automation but a huge improvement for creative productivity and audience management. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, but don't forget, by using my coupon code JAIYT, you can also get an exciting discount for yourself. So purchase your subscription, and I will see you in the next automation tutorial. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.